kind of bird is that, Sarah?
A parrot. A parrot.
Oh, I thought you said it was an owl. It's a parrot, right?
Hello.
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 Hello, what you look like cookies?
They're talking to you. Say hi.
You like cookies? You like cookies?
Say hi to Kevin and Sara here for you. Say hi to them. Say hi.
He's hungry.
He's hungry, just like you guys.
Yeah,
Fixing
he wants
some
cookies.
lunch for you.
Hi.
Oh,
He said, hey, this
he
is
said hello to you,
nice.
Sarah.
This is
Yeah,
nice.
be careful of that, Kevin.
Or you'll see the other side too.
Yeah.
Wrong.
Yeah.
But you like cookies? Oh, here's a cookie. Eat.
What? Did he eat it?
Yeah, pretend.
Oh, pretend.
What we doing? Say what we doing.
What are you doing? Tell him.
We doing nothing. We just sitting. It's say see. Say hello. You like cookies? Say hello again. To you. Hello. Again to Grandma. Hello. It's doing
He says hello a lot, huh?
hello. Hey, Captain. The parrot say hello.
He's stuck. That's all he knows how to say. Oh.
Hey, he say hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's try to dance.
Hello.
Let's dance. Dance. Parrot, let's dance. Let's dance.